1, 2, 3, 4. Bless you. My name is Candice Clouse. This is speech number 2, the process speech. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to start off here with a little story. There once was a young boy who was involved in an auto accident. He didn't call his agent. He didn't call the police. He ended up getting a suspended license, and it took a very long time for the repairs to get made to his vehicle. Have any of you ever been in an auto accident? Do you know what to do if you ever have an auto accident? Do you know how confusing and difficult it can seem to file a claim and do all of the steps that you need to do to get everything taken care of? Well, today I'm going to tell you what you need to do in order to file an auto insurance claim to make the process smooth and easy for you, and what you can expect. During the winter months, there are several accidents that occur due to unsafe driving, road conditions, and multiple other factors. If you are involved in an auto accident, one thing that you should do, regardless of how major or minor the accident is you should call the police. The police will come, they will file a report, they will list what they have observed at the scene as far as who appears to be at fault, not at fault, what the road conditions are like, what the damages are, if there's any injuries. They will also put a report number on the police report and give you that number so that you can go pick it up at the local police department after everything has been completed. While you're waiting on the police to arrive, one thing that you should do is get the information of the other person or persons involved in the accident. This will help if the police report takes a few days to process. That way your insurance company can go ahead and start on the claims process. Other information that you would want to get would be a license plate number, the driver's name and address if they're willing to give it to you. If they're not, at least jot down the license plate number because your insurance company can find information out based off of that. Once the police have left the scene and you are at a safe place where you can make a phone call, call your agent as soon as possible and let them know what has happened. Once your agent is aware of the situation, if the accident is your fault, they can go ahead and work on getting a claim started for you. That way you can get the repairs made to your vehicle as soon as possible. Once the claim has been filed, whether it has been with your own company or the other company, an adjuster will contact you. The adjuster will call you. They will want to do a recorded statement, which is just which is what your version of what has happened. It is absolutely okay to give this recorded statement because the adjuster will obtain it from all parties that have been involved. The photos will be taken of your vehicle. The adjuster will come out, take photos. Sometimes they will allow you to take photos yourself and email them to them, but each company is a little different. Generally, the adjuster will come out and do it. Once they have photos of the damages, they will assess the damages and give an estimate on how much it will cost to repair those damages. You are able to get the damages fixed at any location that you prefer. Most insurance companies will allow you to have the damages taken care of at any body shop of your choice. If it is your fault, sometimes there will be a deductible that will apply, and this just depends on each individual person's policy and company guidelines. Whenever the claim has been filed and settled and everyone is ready to get the repairs made, the adjuster will make final settlement and payment to the parties involved. If there is a loan on your vehicle, generally the payment will be issued to you and the loan company, and sometimes even the body shop, depending on the amount of the check that is to be written. Whenever there is an injury involved in an accident, such as broken legs, broken arms, whiplash, those types of injuries, those would fall under a medical payment category. When you're dealing with an auto insurance claim, medical payments will not be made until all medical procedures are completed and done. So if you're going to have extensive physical therapy or a long road to recovery, it will take a long time for your medical bills to get paid. So you'll have to generally pay those on your own and then get reimbursed for them once everything has been finalized. One thing that your agent has to do is file what's called an SR-21. This is a form that it gets filled out and sent into the state, and this just proves that you had insurance at the time of the accident. This is referring back to our boy at the beginning of the story here who had a suspended license. If the state does not receive proof of insurance, they will suspend your license generally for 90 days, and sometimes it gets suspended without you knowing, and then more and more charges can get added on from that, causing a big bad rap sheet on your driving record. So the sum of this basically is if you have a good agent and a good company, call them. They will walk you through the claims process. They will make it an easy and simple process for you, and they will just make things go smoothly and easy and take care of everything to help everything go smoothly. Thank you. There's so